Hello! In this video we are going to demonstrate the ArduPilot simulation, which will simulate a quadcopter running in CTL, software in the loop simulation, where we will go up 10 meters, go straight 100 meters and complete a 100-meter square to the original position. The code is inside the Sims IoT devices flight simulation. You can see here ArduPilot Square Loitering here, the Python program using to implement Square Loitering, and this is the file based on the PyMavlink library. We copied it to our editor. And now I just want to demonstrate the possible implementation. Now we'll start the file, the Python file. What you see here is the position of the vehicle, and here you can see the vehicle on the map. So now it's taking off. You see 10 meters here and also 10 meters here, the height. The vehicle is moving forward for like 100 meters, and then you can see here he's moving in 90 degrees right and moving 100 meters in this direction. This is the high, the mode is guided, and you can see here the direction of the vehicle. Let's see, to complete the full square, now it's going 100 meters back in this direction. Here you can see the direction of the vehicle from the vehicle perspective, and then it's going back to the original position. Here you see the direction, and it's going back to the origin, and the final stage is going down. When the vehicle has reached its position, it's going down to this altitude. You can see the same altitude here in this screen. We are in the landing mode, and let's see, this is our height. You can see here where the vehicle have landed. Okay, we have landed and disarmed the vehicle. Now just briefly let's go over the code like this. We in our main have a few functions. First, we define the mode, which is guided. Then we arm the vehicle, take off 10 meters, we fly it in the square, and after it we land. The implementation are pretty straightforward. We are working via the mastermav commands. In the set mode is mastermav set mode send command. We define the heartbeat, that there is a communication with the drone, and then update the relevant mode. Then we arm the drone. In the takeoff command, we send the takeoff coordinates, and because of this, the fact that this is a guided mode, we're continuously sending the relevant coordinates to take off. Then for fly to function, we define the dx and dy, in which delta we want to move our drone and for how long, and then calculate appropriately and continuously give the relevant position via mastermav set position target global in send. And at the end, it's a landing procedure while we land the drone continuously because we are in the guided mode. So we have demonstrated the code which fly a quadcopter, the CTL software in the loop simulation in the square rectangle. Thank you.